Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable motion detection on Xiaomi Smart Doorbell. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, navigate to the motion detection. Inside you'll be able to turn it on. In this case I just turned it off and now turn it back on. And here also you'll be able to adjust a 24 hours detection or scheduled detection. That means if you set it on schedule, it will only use motion detection in the certain hours that you can input right here. Then there's the detection range that we can switch between far, medium or near. Then the delayed recording between different time in seconds. A recording interval between 0 seconds to 3 minutes, max recording duration from 10 seconds to 20 seconds or 30 seconds. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.